how to fix no service issue on iPhone 13. So if you want to fix your no service issue on your iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, then the first solution is to restart your iPhone. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your control center. From the control center, you need to go and turn on or off your airplane mode. So tap on airplane mode, turn it on, and after a few seconds, again turn it off. And this might fix your problem. If that doesn't, then the third step is to check your network coverage area. And you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, or you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for roaming, tap on mobile data options, and here you will have roaming option. You can go and turn off your data roaming. After turning it on, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go with your settings again. Under settings, you can scroll down, go with date and time, which will be under your general. Tap on general and then scroll down, go with date and time, and you can modify your date and time. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to reinsert your SIM card, and after that you can open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to just go with your mobile service. Under your mobile service, you will have network selection. So scroll down, go with network selection, and here you need to turn off the automatic network selection. And the last thing you can do is go with your settings again and tap on software update. If you have any software updates, then you need to go and update your software. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.